This year, we are asking Melville School District parents of students in kindergarten through 12th grade to fill out their family information update online through the parent portal. This new process will reduce back-to-school paperwork for families. It also helps ensure parents receive all school communication. To access the family information update, visit the Melville School District website, melvilleschooldistrict.com. It's easiest to complete this process on a desktop or laptop computer. However, you can complete it on your smartphone using a browser app like Safari or Chrome. Once you're at the Melville School District website, click on Parents and then select Parent Portal. Click on Log In to the Parent Portal. All parents should have received usernames and passwords when they first enrolled their student in a Melville School District school. Usernames are typically a parent's email address. If you need access to the Parent Portal, please download the user request form, fill it out, and return it to your child's school. From your Parent Portal dashboard, you'll see a yellow bar that says online registration must be completed for the 2019-2020 year. Click View. On the next screen, you'll see all of the forms that need to be reviewed or updated. To get started, click Edit next to the first form. The first form is your welcome and instructions. Please read through that form. When you're finished, please click I have completed this form in the lower left corner. Then click Next. Next, you'll review contact information for household parents. Make sure all phone numbers and email addresses are accurate. You can make any changes that you might need. Then click I have completed this form and then select Next. If your address has changed, you may update it on the household address form. Please know that you'll need to prove your address by either uploading documentation or bringing the appropriate documentation to your child's school. Click I have completed this form and then select Next. Next, you'll review student information. Please note that if you have an additional student to enroll, you'll need to complete enrollment at your child's school. Click I have completed this form and select Next. The next form is for your child's emergency contacts. Please review the contacts we have on file for your student and make any needed changes. You can add an emergency contact by using Add Contact in the bottom left menu. You can also delete contacts using the blue Delete link. We will assume that a student can leave school with any of your emergency contacts. If this contact is not allowed to take your student from school, you may indicate that. The next page is for non-resident parents. If your child has a parent or guardian who lives outside of the Melville School District, you can edit their information here. If you have a new parent or guardian that you need to add, you'll need to contact your school. When you're finished, select I have completed this form and click Next. Up next, you'll be reviewing our annual notifications, including discipline policies and other legal documents. Click on the Annual Notifications link. Our notifications will open in a new window. Please read through this document, then go back to your Parent Portal window and click I have completed the form and select Next. We are almost done. Next, you'll review our student media release. Please answer the question, does Melville School District have permission to publish your child's name, image, and video on the web, social media, and in print? Please know that if you select No, your child's image and name will not be included in the school yearbook. Make your selection and select I have completed this form and then click Next. If you have multiple children enrolled, you will complete this form for each child. You'll see which child the form belongs to in the upper left section of the screen. Finally, please review our technology usage documents. Please open and read each of the documents. You may not see all of these choices depending on the age of your student. Select I give permission for my child to utilize the school district's technology resources. Then select I have completed this form and then Next. Once all of your forms are completed, you'll be asked to submit forms. Click OK and then you are all done. If you get interrupted before you complete all of the forms, you can return at any time. Just look for the yellow bar in your dashboard saying Online Registration and click View. Please be sure to complete this family information update by the first day of school. Thank you for making sure we have updated contact information for your family. If you have any questions or need help accessing the system, please call your school.